Excellent, guys. Ifan back again with another video. And in this video, what we are going to be doing is how can we combine VLookup with min and max functions in Excel. Now, we have a table here. Okay, now this is a table of the annual salaries each employee makes, and they're not in any order. Okay, so this is the annual salary, and this is the name of the employee. Now, what I've done is I've gone ahead and copy pasted the same table down here, but I have sorted it as per the salary. So, and what we want to do is we want to find out which of these 10 employees makes the least amount of money in a year, and which of these employees make the most amount of money in a year. Now, like I said, since this is not in any particular order, what we'll have to do is first we'll have to use the min function. Now, what the min function is, returns the smallest number in a set of values. Okay, so we will select this. I'm just going, hold on a second, I'm just going to move it across one cell here. So this was the min. Now, max. We want to find out what is the maximum salary drawn, and we'll use the max function. It returns the largest value in a set of values. And so we'll select this value here. So now you can see the lowest is 57,806, which is this guy here, and the minimum is 36,511, which is this guy here. So this actually corresponds to the sorted table down here. So minimum is Bruce at 36,511 and Bill at the highest at 57,806. Now what we need to do is the original problem was we had to find the excuse me, we had to find the name of the employee who makes the most amount of money in a year, and name of the employee who makes the least amount of money. Excuse me. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use the VLookup, and this is the value we're looking up. This is the table. Second column, we need an exact match, so we use the false, and it gives you Bruce. So Bruce is making the least amount of money, and let's do a VLookup for the maximum. Okay, and that gives you Bill. So Bill is making the most amount of money, and Bruce is making the least amount of money. And what we did was we used the min and max function to first get the lowest salary and the highest salary, and then we used the VLookup to grab the name. Now let's combine these two together. What we can actually do is do a VLookup and the lookup value. Inside this VLookup, what we can do is we'll use the min function. Okay, so second column, and false. I made a boo-boo there. It's going to be VLookup. Lookup value is min. Table array. Table. Second column, and false. Okay. See what I did there? This min function, what I've done is I've used it as an argument within the VLookup. Now, if I want to lock this so that cells don't change, then I'll lock this. And now let's see if we can do the same with the max. I'm just going to copy this down here, and instead of min, I'll just change that min to max, and we should get Bill. There you go. So you see, what we have done is we have used the min function to first grab the lowest salary, and then use that as an argument within the VLookup. So you can actually nest uh, the, the bin within the VLookup. And similarly, in this case, what you can do is you can have it built in or nested inside the VLookup, the max function. So that's pretty much how you would use min and max function within VLookup to grab the you know the name of the employee that's making the least amount of money or the most amount of money. Uh, so this is a very quick video to show that you can have functions as parameters within VLookup. And if you did like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.